I got gold around my neck, that shit'll make you blink.
YouTube, what is up? What's good with you guys? It's the Boul Nate. Shout out to the Boul Nation. I'm feeling good, man. I'm feeling good. We're back with another, I guess, unboxing, you could say. You know. So so here's the backstory to this. So I bought 5 shirts off of like Finish Line with like a big sale for $45, which is crazy, but for some reason they shipped it in like 3 different packages. So this box has a shirt in it. This has 1 shirt in it. And then this has the other 3. So not sure why they couldn't all ship it all at once, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, you know? Make things happen right here. But I can open this, and y'all like the videos, give a thumbs up, subscribe. Y'all been showing mad love on the videos, all you love the comments, love the dialogue that we can have together. Yeah, I'm showing love, man. Content will be continuing to flow. But yeah, so I ordered 5 of these shirts. It's like I think 2's like Adidas shirts, 1's like Converse, 1's like a Puma one, and another was like another brand. But we'll get to the first one, which is a Adidas one. I'm pretty sure all these are largest, I want to say, because I was wearing medium, but medium be like loose and snug, especially when I wash and dry it. So large give me a little more room, give me a little breathing room. So, but yeah, here's the first shirt. Looks pretty big for a large though. But you got large essential Adidas tee. You got the smaller logo right there, but this is kind of what I'm getting more towards now. Like kind of more like the basic essential tee, small logo, nothing too crazy. Nothing really on the back, but I like the color. It's different. I like it's clean, simple, and these shirts were only like $5. So honestly, man, I wish they had more colors. I bought more colors, but then they had like that one, and then the color I have showing up right now, which is this one. Yep. But trust me, hey man, it had more colors though, I would have been going crazy. Cause like it was like 70% off or 80% off. It was something I saw on sneaker shouts on Twitter. They had like a crazy deal. I like bro, $5 tees, bro. I'm like, man, you got the cop. But here's the other color. So this is kind of like more like a cream, I guess, color. Kind of got like a brown Adidas logo right there. Screw like that. But again, nice little simple tee, essentials tee, $5. I know the crazy because the tax is $30, which is crazy, but I got for $5. I can show y'all the receipt later on. Y'all don't believe me, but so that's shirt number 2, and then this is the okay. This one I kind of saw like before I checked out. I'm like, you know what? At first I was like, nah, I'm cool, but I'm like, you know what? This is pretty unique, pretty different. So that's crazy, but it's like a nice little Converse tee. You don't really see too many Converse, t-shirts like that. But simple black t-shirt, can't go wrong. Good to like layer with, or just to kind of wear in general. Converse tee, like I said, man. I'm trying to get like more like simple and more like basic colors, not really too graphic. You know, one of the t-shirts is like more like a graphic t-shirt, but for the most part these are pretty much basic. So I guess we'll get into the box next. Is it in the box? Is it in the box? So speaking of boxes, I got hella boxes in the room. Bro, are you serious? Bro, look at this. Bro, Finish Line, what's up with y'all? What's this? Oh, return. Okay. That was a return sticker, but hey, look. Bro, what is this? Finish Line. What's up? Rubber band man. Rubber band man. Oh, rubber man. Shout out to y'all. But here we go. So here's the graphic tee here. Puma. What's this? Star Giant, Las Vegas. Clean tee, large. Nothing on the back, but it says Mercedes on the tag though. And for those who don't know, I'm a George Russell fan. He drives for Mercedes, so any Mercedes kind of gets my says it on the sleeve. There you go. Kind of see the Mercedes Petronas for F1 team or Formula 1 team. What's that? Formula 1 team? Formula 1 team. There you go. So that's a nice T-shirt for that. Nice little graphic tee. But yeah, definitely love getting more like basic T-shirts I could just wear. I could wear that like chilling. I could wear that going out. Maybe wear it to the gym maybe. And then we'll get into this last one. Oh, it's a Sonetti London. I don't know. I never really heard of the brand recently, but I like the shirt because the shirt looks pretty cool. Ooh, there's a little sticker on here. Shout out. They have a little buy one, get one, Mr. Max 50% off. Or buy one, get one 50% off with his ticket. Okay. But again, not sure some got this Sonetti London Sonetti. I pronounce it right. Sonetti London shirt. Like kind of like a charcoal, maybe like heather gray. Again, simple T-shirt, nothing too crazy. Good to see the layer, just have it on, just nothing too crazy. And bam, that is my quick little haul I had. I'm always like stuff over there, like a little bit of chips over there. Kind of got knocked over, but it's cool though. But yep, that is going to be my haul. So got like five new shirts for like $45. Like I said, man, got a crazy deal. Like I said, I've been trying to slow down on like buying like new clothes or like new shoes, but I'm like, if I come across a deal, I got to. And like I said, like I've been like buying things, donating things, because I never try to get my wardrobe to where I wanted it to be, which is kind of like more basic tees, like kind of like essential tees, not too much going on, like more like a layer, and then maybe like had like a, well, I got the Apple Watch now. You haven't seen that? I did an unboxing on it. Go watch that. But I got Apple Watch, I got like a Fossil watches, I got some over there, so. And then I think like the next big purchase for me is gonna be like a nice little gold chain. I don't know what from where or what, but that'd be pretty nice to have. Kind of like a nice little like piece, I guess you could say, like. So that's good. But as always, like the video, get a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and catch you next time.